Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this look using Maybelline drugstore products. Just an everyday simple look. And so without further ado, I'm going to begin by mixing the Dream Satin BB Cream SPF 30 in light medium with the Master Strobing Liquid 100 Light Iridescent. Next I will use the Fit Me Concealer in Sand Sable for under the eyes. And blending it in with my Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to use the Fit Me Concealer in Medium for redness or any other spots the foundation didn't conceal. Once again, blending it in with my Beauty Blender. Next I will use the Fit Me Pressed Powder in Medium Buff to set the makeup. Next, using the Real Techniques multitask brush, I will use the Dream Sun Bronzing Powder to sweep over my face in places that the sun would normally hit me. Then from the Master Blush palette, I will use the highlighter to highlight the high points of my cheeks. Not forgetting the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Still using the Master Blush palette, I'll be using the cool bright pink tone as blush on the apples of my cheeks using my e.l.f. Total Face Brush. Using the Brow Drama in dark brown, I will brush through my brows. On my eyelids, I will use the 24 Hour Color Tattoo Eyeshadow in Bad to the Bronze, using my fingers. Then using my Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush, I will blend the shadow into the crease. Then dipping into the Master Blush palette again, I will use the highlighter to highlight the brows with my Essential Foundation brush from Real Techniques. And also the inner corner of my eye. Then using the Colossal Volume Express Mascara Smoky Eyes, I will apply lashings of mascara on my lashes. Next I will line my lips with the Colour Sensational Lip Liner in Nude Whisper. And finally I'll be using the Creamy Matte Colour Sensational Lip Matte in Daringly Nude. So that's it for this look, guys. I will list all the products that I used in this tutorial down below. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!